Hey, what's up everybody? This video is of our journey to the east side of the Big Island to pick up some fruit trees. We rented that Silverado truck because we don't have a truck and it's not going to fit in our little Nissan. So we drove over the saddle with our friend Lee, who is driving the truck. Faye and I are in the Nissan, and we made it to Jeannette Acierto's nursery in Kurtistown. We found her on Facebook. We'll put a link to her page here, and we'll also do it at the end. Her family has a little over an acre here in Kurtistown, and there are some of the plants. So we're going to take a tour of her nursery and pick out about 10 to 12 plants.
I'm not sure what kind of citrus you guys want.
Oh, maybe you can recommend what should we get?
The property is empty, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the Tangelo. Okay, the green tag is dwarf, while the white one is the standard size. Standard is this height. This is the standard height. For the dwarf, this is what you expect. But it's not that high. You just have to prune the top, you know, every harvesting. If you don't want like those, it has to be pruned. Yeah, it's not very high, the citrus. Same thing with the avocado grafted. It's not that high. Those are 6 years old malama. Do you want to try some navel orange? Tangerine. Clementine tangerine is very sweet.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the clementine tangerine. And Dancy is a bigger size of tangerine but less seeds.
Ocean View.
Ocean View?
Yeah.
Oh, Ocean View.
Yeah, Ocean View.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
You have plenty sun there or more rain?
Plenty sun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Citrus is good in Ocean View and avocado.
Okay. Well, I don't know.
I thought Mountain View. Mountain View is colder.
Yeah.
That is Minialo Tangelo. It's a mixture of it's a hybrid of tangerine and pomelo together. That's my favorite, Tangelo.
And pomelo is...
Pomelo and tangerine. Pomelo is the big one. You know the Chandler pomelo, the one you have to peel it and eat it.
Oh.
Those are pomelo, and then mixed to the tangerine, it came to Tangelo, which is very juicy. This is our favorite because we squeeze it, we juice them. It's bigger than that because it's starting the season.
Okay.
Same size of navel orange, the regular Washington navel orange, but it's more juicy and very sweet.
So
very sweet.
how should we plant it?
I can tell you how to plant it.
Yeah.
I mean, I can give you instruction or teach you guys how to do it, the
Okay.
planting. It has to be at least 2 feet. 2 feet deep and
Yeah.
wider.
Okay.
Yeah. A good drainage is important. So
Yeah, it's good drainage.
very good drainage. If you guys have lots of good drainage, then you will not have a problem.
Because we're bringing they're bringing like the backhoe in like in a couple of weeks. Can it stay like this in a...
Oh yeah. This can stay longer in the
Okay.
back. Yes.
Okay.
It's fine. The root is already out. That means it's established. Some roots are out already. That means it's ready to plant to the ground, but it doesn't have to be planted. You can keep in the longer, I don't know, you can keep long. Sometimes I keep for 1 year and it's fine. I have some stay long in the grow bag.
Oh, take
Hi.
whatever you think.
Yeah, so Tangelo, tangerine, navel orange is good. Lime, if you guys don't have lime. Tangerine, do you want? Tangerine is the one you can peel it.
Yeah.
Peel
Is
it.
it navel orange or tangerine?
Oh, I don't have a preference.
So since we're getting the Tangelo, what is with the orange be the...
Well, they both have different tastes. I wish I can let you guys taste it. You guys want to taste it?
No, it's okay.
Because I will let you taste it so you know what you're planting.
Yeah, I know that
I mean,
tangerine is...
how
good
we
with
eat the Tangelo, we don't
Uh-huh.
peel it. We just want to squeeze it because it's very juicy.
Uh-huh.
But you can slice it to like the orange and eat it that way. Washington navel, you have to always slice it, right? Because
Yeah.
it's hard to peel it, the
Right.
Washington navel. So you need to slice. But tangerine, it's easy peel, right?
Yeah.
So and it's small pieces of, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends what you prepare for citrus. Yeah, get some tangerine is good.
Yeah, I want to get a tangerine and maybe just regular Washington navel.
Yeah, try the Washington navel. I still have. Okay. You want to have. This one is Tangor. Tangor is a breed of orange and tangerine. So it's a breed, like it's a different one. It's different. This one actually it's not easy peel. It's like a texture of orange because it's a combination of tangerine and orange. So we have some hybrid tree.
Okay.
So you have three types of actually of orange: blood orange, Fisher, and Washington.
Okay.
Which is three different seasons.
Oh, maybe that's good then. So, what do we do to plant? You're gonna tell us what you want.
Yeah, you need to dig 2 feet deep,
Okay.
wider, and then you can put. You have a good drainage, but you still need to use some cinder with the soil and mix with. If you guys have compost, you can mix it. Chicken manure, which is the organic, it's the better.
Okay.
The chicken pellet manure, you can buy that. I can text to you.
Okay.
If you have some phosphate, you can add some phosphate. That's the white powder. But if you don't have, it's fine. And then that's all you have to do. Drop it. Make sure you have to remove the bag, yeah. And then just drop the whole thing. Don't remove the soil.
Okay.
Just drop everything to the hole. Cover it and then mulch it. And then you put some more fertilizer on the top. And that's all you have to do. Water them when you just transplant to the ground.
Okay. Awesome.
And then watch the plant. Make it sure the plant after you put to the ground steady. I mean, it's always green, yeah, and not turn yellow. That means you need to water. That's how you
How often
plant.
do you water?
Well, if we have rain today, then you don't have to water for a couple of days. I mean, twice a week, it's fine for the citrus, especially the avocado. Avocado doesn't like too much water because of the root rot. You know, it will stay in the. Yeah, you don't have to. But if very dry, then you need to water.
Okay.
Then same thing, just don't disturb the soil. Yeah, the root. Just rip it or remove to the bucket carefully. Yeah, without removing the soil inside the root. No. Just drop the whole thing to your. So you have to ready your ground, yeah. First, and you ready the ground, and you can keep this for a while in the bag. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, they will survive. They're gonna be more healthy, especially the lychee. You don't want to plant the lychee right now. You want to develop more root, establish more root. This one don't plant it yet. Keep it here in the bucket for a while until more leaves flash. You know, because I don't think there's a lot of roots develop. It's a white one. You can see the roots coming out that white. I can see all the roots, but need more root for this to put in the ground before you put in the ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we picked up about 10 plants, and they looked really good. The prices were amazing. The plants definitely look better than the ones we were looking at Lowe's or Home Depot. So we think we got a really good deal. So you can check Jeannette out at her Facebook page. It's www.facebook.com/Aza Gift Shops. And if you're on the Big Island and you need fruit trees and avocado, check Jeannette out. She was super helpful, very knowledgeable. Highly recommend her. You know, hopefully in a couple years, our trees will look as good as her trees. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And aloha.